I'm gonna take you on a tour of my Animal Crossing island. I've spent about 615 hours playing it. I've been spending a lot more time playing it recently, and I thought it'd be a really cool time frame or a really cool timestamp thingy to be like, yo, this is what my island looks like now. We'll see in 3 months if it looks exactly the same or different, or 3 years. Okay, I can't pronounce her name, but I love her. I've also never made a dream address because I didn't think it needed one. This is me. Oh, Nikki boys are calling. I sold them my Beatles. Okay, bye-bye. This is me. I like to take my shoes off because the sound of the shoes is a lot sometimes, but we'll put them on. Okay, this is my house. But yeah, I redid this entire area last time I played. It's just cute. I don't know what you even would call this Corey lifestyle. It's like cottagecore, but not. Anyways, you come down here. Like, wow, bird. Come over here. We got a little dooley. Little dooley dangly. You come down here. You can throw stuff away. You can listen to the really loud waterfall. Relaxing. A little baby tree that's always gonna be a baby, no matter what. We got this leaf pile. We got this leaf pile. Come over here. We've got this petal pile. I haven't decorated our house yet. There's the leaf pile. We come over here. We got like bees. Some more leaf piles. You come down here. Butterfly. There's a little petal pile. Ooh. You got Maple's house up here. Can you tell I like Maple? It's got like floop. Hey! You're great. This is my museum. I saw one day someone like did that and I was like, I want to do that, so I did it. This is Jeff. This is Kyle, Timmy. This gnome's fishing. I got this from Viewer's Island. He was cool. He was cool. Down here we got pink balloon, peeing water. I love lanterns. It's just simple. It's not over the top. I know. Over the top is where it's at right now. So we'll come down here. We got her in a winter coat because I haven't changed her out of her winter stuff. We have Fauna's house up here. I share a birthday with Fauna. And then we have Eric's house right here. And he's got this toy car. I love the sounds that Animal Crossing gives. Back here you have a little day area for Eric and Fauna. They get eat, right? You come down here. What? There's no path. There's no path. Whoa, a turtle! Oh, he's a mean boy. It leads you to this immaculate beach. One of the first areas that I actually built on this island that I still adore. So, whoop, 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 whoop. This is my favorite item in the game. It's so good. But look how pretty that is. Like, you're like, oh man. Time to sit and wait till I die. Ding 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 ding. Some free DIYs. Nom nom nom. Soup tastes. No. 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 Maple syrup. She's so cute. Laura, you're so cute. I don't even like pink that much. You're just so... Leaf pile. What a present! I was tired of collecting presents from balloons. That looks good. Yup. I like octopuses and squids. Oh, he's so cute! We got a little snacky snack area. We like snacks. Petal pile. I mean, I'm still gonna update this, so this is just what it looks like right now. Boom. Hi, this is my best boy. I love him so much. I don't even like dogs. Oh, is that his butt? Those are his eyes. I think that's its... This is my first custom pattern on the ground. I just found it somewhere. Little camp area. It's adorable. And leaves on fire. Nothing's happening up there. Those flamingos are definitely not mating. And that jazzophone... I'm not gonna skip that. I did not say that right. We come up here. You have Cherry's house. There's so much that I need to get done. Beautiful. We come down here. We got like a relaxing area, you know. Nom nom. I also recently built this, and that is my island. I really like the different broken up parts of it, and I'm definitely not done building on this island. And I don't have the heart to reset it, to try to build something else. So we've just gotta deal with what we have. If you like this video, please let me know. Put a thumbs up or not. No, don't. It's your life. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I stream on Twitch, and I think you should come by and check us out. The link is in the description. The link is in the description. Have a wonderful day.